For our presentation, we will be talking about the visible light spectrum and how it impacts the world we see around us. This video was shot and is narrated by Parker Friedman, while the information, script, and editing is brought to you by Corey Thomas. All of the footage was shot on Samford University's campus for the Physical Geography Level 150 for Dr. Jennifer Rahn's class. Before we continue to show more footage of Samford University's beautiful campus, we are going to first talk about the electromagnetic spectrum as a whole and then continue to focus on the visible light spectrum. Pictured here is the electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum is the range of frequencies of electromagnetic radiation and their respective wavelengths and photon energies. As you can see at the bottom of the image, the electromagnetic spectrum is measured in nanometers. A nanometer is 10 to the negative 9th power of a meter, which makes it incredibly small. There are multiple types of rays on the electromagnetic spectrum. All of the different types of waves are listed at the top of the image, but we are going to focus specifically on the visible light rays, or the visible light spectrum. As you can see, the visible light spectrum is found between the ultraviolet rays and the infrared rays. The color with the shortest wavelength is the purple, while the color of the longest wavelength is the red. In the next video of Samford University, you will see two different clips that were taken at roughly the same place but at two different times. These two clips are taken near Hodges Chapel and the drone is rotating from east to west, but the clip on the left is taken approximately 2:45 in the afternoon, while the clip on the right was taken around 4:10, approximately 30 minutes prior to the sunset. If you look at the sky on the horizon, you can easily notice a color change between the two clips. The clip on the left has a vibrant blue color compared to the clip on the right that has a light blue and orange color. As you can see, the sky on the left clip maintains a blue color throughout the entirety of the shot. However, the sky on the right clip changes color due to the angle of the sun. As the drone rises over Hodges Chapel, you can see the sun is almost at sunset. During sunset, molecules and small particles in the atmosphere change the direction of the light's rays, causing them to scatter and result in colorful sunsets. In heavily populated areas, sunsets are normally more vibrant in color because of the heavy emissions and gas particles in the atmosphere. When there are more molecules in the atmosphere, the light bounces off them differently, causing beautiful colors. Although the same gases are in the air throughout the day, the sun's angle plays a role in the color of the sky. When the time is noon, the sun is overhead and the gas particles can't scatter the light. But when the sun is coming in at an angle around sunset or sunrise, the particles can reflect and bend the light at ease, creating different colors. When looking at colleges, I was told the best time to visit a college is on a sunny day, because that is when the environment is the most beautiful and the most vivid in color. On a cloudy day, colleges would not look nearly as beautiful than on a sunny day, because the amount of light is extremely important. Without the sun directly on the grass, buildings, and other environment, the colors would not be very beautiful because the light is being scattered too much by the clouds, resulting in a different feel to each college. The world is a beautiful piece of art. It has good days and it has bad days, but the world as a whole will always remain beautiful.